In this video, we're going to show you to install your downstream O2 sensor on your Ford Taurus located below your catalytic converter. It's going to reach up and we're going to locate our connector right here. Now there's a little pinch tab on the back side. I'm going to pinch and pull that off. Now from up underneath, you can go ahead and access the downstream O2 sensor right there. I'm going to use our O2 sensor socket here. Go ahead and slip that over, and we're going to use a long ratchet. Give us some leverage on this. And I'll go ahead and loosen this. And once it's broken free, in some cases you can continue to spin that out by hand, or you might have to put that socket back on there. I want to go ahead and unthread that. Go ahead and remove that. Now on the O2 sensor, it comes with anti-seize compound on the threads. Make sure that you don't get that on the sensor itself. Now you want to line this up, insert it. Now, as you thread this in, you need to rotate the harness, the pigtail with it as well. And the reason for that is you don't want the wires coming out of the sensor itself to bind and break internally. What we can do, feed this wire up and over. I'm going to thread this in. Now there is a crush washer on this. And basically that's what seals the O2 sensor into the exhaust. So when you tighten this, you can actually feel it compress. So it's snug right there. You can feel it compress. And then you're just going to feel it stop. I have to adjust my socket here. There it is. And adjust one more time here. And there it is right there. It's now stopped. Now that we have this threaded in, we can now run our connector up and connect it up top again. Go ahead and take your connector, gonna feed that up and push that on. And you're gonna feel it and hear it click into place. Go ahead and tuck that wire off to the side here. Now at this point here, you want to go ahead and use a good scan tool to clear any codes that you have for this O2 sensor. Go ahead and clear that code, and at that point there, you can go for a road test and check it out. At that point, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.